The 2004 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, automatic transmission, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel drive, cruise control, center armrest, power locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.